back to my channel. Today's vlog is about my Goa trip. I'm going to Goa with one of my closest friends, that is Komal. And now we are going from Pune. So we have a travels that will take us from Pune to Goa, and the travels are stopped at a restaurant, and I'll be having my dinner over here. And this is Komal. I'm going with her, and it's a girls trip, so it's just both of us going and it will be fun. And this is the first stop, so I'm taking the intro of the vlog here. Let's see how this trip goes. This is me going first time like this with just one of my friends, and she's going to Goa for the first time. So yes, we are excited. So we have ordered chicken biryani. We'll have this, and that is it then. So guys, this is the room. It is pretty, it is decent. We were not expecting anything like extraordinary. We wanted a decent room, that is it. Here's the washroom and everything, and this is how the room looks like. And the best thing is that we have pool right in front of our room, so that makes me happy. So we reached in the morning at Mapsa, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that place. And then we rented a scooty, and then we were busy finding a hotel for us because we did not do any prior booking, so we had to figure it out there, and that was a struggle. But this is what I wanted to do, and that is why I came with one of my closest friends, and it's just two of us traveling because I wanted to experience how this happens. How do you plan trips? How do you go to places and ask out people? Because every time I travel, it's either with my friends or my parents, and everything is done by them. I am like the passenger, princess doing nothing. So this time I had to experience this, and I did a decent job, I guess. Like, the hotel is good, the price is very reasonable, and yes, then it's a success. We'll freshen up, we'll take shower, and maybe we'll go in the pool and then go for breakfast. So that is the plan for today. Today is a very chill day. We do not want to do a lot of things today here. So I don't know what to say and how to end this kind of clips, as I always say. But yes, let's see how this goes. The plan is we are going into the pool, and the pool is here, and we'll be going in the pool and having fun for some time, and then we'll take shower, get ready, and go head out basically. So yes, I'll see you guys after I'm done playing in the water. And yeah, I'm all ready, and Komal is ready too, and we are leaving. We'll go and have brunch, not lunch and breakfast, because that's the time where we can have brunch, and we are super hungry. So we have planned that we'll go and have brunch, and then maybe we'll visit some local market or something like that, so that we can shop if we feel like, or if we like something there. So now that is the plan. I'm also munching some chips because we were super hungry and we couldn't wait until we get ready. So we just had some chips and we'll go and have brunch. So yes, and that is my outfit. I just love the color. I love the fit. I love everything about it. It's very hot and I get tanned very fast. Like, one day in sun and water, and I'm tanned. That is how bad I am at being at beaches and whatever you can say. So this is how we are going. Obviously there's a lot of makeup, and we got ready and everything. Once we remove it, it's all glamour. So yes.
Asian pond. Okay, this whole process is called the Asian pond. So first I'll just let you know, these leaves you can see, these leaves are called grape leaves.
So the thing is, we came to Shiva's Garden. That is a restaurant near our hotel. We hanged out a bit here, and we had some good food, and then we clicked a hell lot of pictures. Komal was taking my pictures and I was taking her pictures, and we got some beautiful pictures. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go and follow me there so you can see all the pictures from this trip. It was so fun. It's so green over here. Can you see how pretty this place is? Like, it was so satisfactory to be here, and it was a success. It was so fun. I want to do more such kind of trips where me and my girlfriends go on trips. And this is a warning for Neha, who isn't here, that you should be here next time with us. Here at one of these shops and looking at things. We are not sure of what to buy, but if we like something, we'll end up buying. So it is kind of window shopping. There are some beautiful dream catchers, but the girl is quoting really high prices. So let's see. So we are at Candolim Beach. Candolim Beach, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm very bad at pronunciation sometimes. And we got our hair braided. This is such a touristy thing to do, but we both got our hair braided. And we are catching this beautiful sunset. It looks so pretty. My God, this was such a good day today. And that is it for today. We'll have dinner and we'll chill a bit. That is the only plan. हाय, नाम बताओ तुम्हारा। ठीक है, तुम्हारी कौन सी है होटल? ये वाली। ओके, क्यूट हो तुम दोनों। Hello guys, we came back to room. We changed our clothes. We did some skincare. That is all I did, and there's some lipstick. That is all. And then we are now all ready to go and have our dinner. So that is it. And now our room is such a mess. There are clothes and towels and everything lying over here and there. And here's Komal. She is all ready too, and we'll be leaving soon. I'll see you guys once we reach the restaurant. We haven't decided where we are having our dinner. We'll decide it now and then leave. So we had fish and then we left that place because it was so crowded and it was taking very long for them to prepare the order. Now we are having Naturals mango ice cream. That is my favorite. And we are at Kalangut Beach. We'll have some food over here. Oh my God, the dogs are crazy. Good morning guys, and this is day 2 in Goa and I'm all ready. That is my outfit, and Komal is getting ready there, and then we'll be leaving for breakfast and we are planning to visit Agoda Fort. Let's see how it goes and what we do, but the first thing I'm going to do is having breakfast because I'm super hungry today and I want to have some South Indian food. If I get it here, I'll have South Indian food and then we'll leave. So that is the plan as of now. Yesterday we were super tired and I slept literally in a minute. The minute I landed on bed, the second minute I was in a deep sleep, if that makes sense. And yes, then that is it. I'll see you guys when we have our breakfast. So we are at Agoda Fort. We had our breakfast and then we came here, but we are not going to remove our stoles and goggles and caps because it is so hot and I'm already getting tanned and I don't want to get tanned more. But yes, this is how it looks, and let's see. I have been already to this place, but it's first time for Komal, so obviously we are going to see everything. So now we are at a jail near Agoda Fort. This is Lower Agoda Fort, I guess, if I'm not wrong. We went to the upper one, but it was very hot there. We didn't even wait for 10 minutes because it was boiling. We took a couple of pictures and then we left. And look at this! Isn't this pretty? This is so good. This is so good. And there's a museum, I guess, here. We'll also go and visit that. So that is the plan, and this is how it looks. So we are at the digital museum. This is a completely AC room, and there are some nice digital artworks and things that depict what the actual history is. And they have also given some buttons to navigate through, which will help you to understand what the history of different locations is. And it is a good thing actually to know about the history of this place. So yes, it's nice. So we came back from Agoda Beach and it's a fort, Agoda Fort, and then we came back to our room because it was very hot and we couldn't wait to get back to our room and just chill and rest for some time. And here's Komal doing something and that is making noise. So sorry for that, guys, but obviously it is what it is and it's very raw. Now we are all ready and we'll be leaving for Romeo Lane maybe, or maybe to some other beach. Let's see where we go, and after that we'll come back to room because we don't want to exhaust ourselves going everywhere and doing everything. So we'll just chill and it will be a very low-key thing, I guess. But yes, now let's go. And it's the last day here and we are ready to go and do the water sports. So it's very basic because we are not wearing anything special. It's just a cover so that I don't get tanned a lot, but I'll be removing it once we reach to the beach. But before that we'll go and have some light breakfast so that we don't get hungry while we are doing our water sports, and then we'll come back, take shower and go and have lunch. So that is the plan as of now, and it is fun to do water sports. That is one of the things I love when I'm on the beaches. So yes, let's go. So we did water sports today and then came back to room, took shower, and we are 2 to 3 tones darker now. That is the only thing that I'm upset about, but it's okay because we had fun. And now we are just resting for a bit because we are super tired. And then the plan is we'll rest for a bit, get ready and go to Arjuna Cafe. I always wanted to visit it and this time I'll make sure that I go there. Now we are having some biscuits and we have also ordered biryani so that we'll have some food here and then go to Arjuna because we are super hungry also. So Yes, that is the plan. Now I'm all ready and we are leaving for Arjuna Cafe. हमने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही रेस्ट कर लिया I guess and hence we are late but it's okay because हम बहुत थक गए थे and now we are very fresh to go there and have some chill time. And today is the last evening over here. कल I'm leaving for Mumbai and my internship will be starting, so I'm super excited for that too. It was a good trip. I'll shoot there and then I'll end this vlog once I come back here. So yes, stay tuned for the last evening in Goa. So we are at Arjuna Cafe now. Here's Komal and the vibe is good. It's like very aesthetic. I can't say how it is like, but it is very peaceful and it is all surrounded by nature. I don't know how much of it is visible in the video, but it is pretty. We had some good food at Arjuna Cafe that evening and then in the next morning I left for Mumbai. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my Goa trip. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.